welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'd like to show you a tutorial on how to make the matching Angelina Cowl, neck cowl. It's to match this beanie that I created not too long ago, and I just thought this is the perfect little set to gift anyone. If you guys are interested in learning how to make this cowl, then continue watching. So today I'm going to make a matching neck cowl for this beanie right here, and I'll be using this I Love This yarn from Hobby Lobby, and this is in the color Rosy Cheeks 101. Yeah, and this is a medium worsted weight 4 yarn. Today though, to make the cowl, I'm going to use the K hook, the 6.5 millimeter hook. And you'll need some scissors and of course one of these needles. Okay, to begin, I'm going to make a slip knot. All right, and we're going to chain 80. And go ahead and make them pretty loosely. Okay, I just chained 80, and I'm going to make sure that this is all straight and not curled. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and join at the beginning first chain. Okay, so we're going to be making this cowl in the round. Okay, makes it easier. Okay. Alright, so I just chained those two together. I'm going to chain 1, and we're going to start off with doing half double crochets all the way around. Okay, so we're going to yarn over, and let's make our first half double crochet. So this chain below, go ahead and pull up. You have 3 loops on your hook, and then pull through all 3, and that's a half double crochet. Okay, continue around, and again we will be making 80 total of half double crochets all the way around. Okay, I just made my 80th half double crochet. Now I'm going to go ahead and just slip stitch into the top of that first half double crochet. Okay, all right. So we're going to begin doing the stitch that looks like this. It looks kind of like knitted look, so we're gonna do that. So I'm going to chain 1, okay, and then I'm going to yarn over. And we normally would make a half double crochet into the top right here with the 2 V's at the top, but we're going to actually fold that over and make the half double crochet into the back hook right here. Okay, and that will basically push out the V's, creating that V-like look. So there's another bar back here. I'm going to go ahead and make my half double crochet and just continue all the way around. It pushes out those V's, giving it that really nice look. Okay, continue around, and I'll show you how to continue on with the next step. Just made my last half double crochet on this row, Now I will finish it off by slip stitching to the top of that first half double crochet, and that's done with round 2. Round 3 we're going to chain 1, and we're doing a repeat of that previous row. So make your half double crochet into that back bar behind the V's right here to again push out those V's to the front so you can see that. So we'll have a total of 3 rows like this, 1, 2, and then we'll have one more, and then I'll come back and show you how to start off this the V puff stitch row. Okay, I just completed my last half double crochet, that's number 80 on this row, and I'll slip stitch into the top of that first half double crochet. Okay, and we're done with this one. So the next round is the V puff stitch round. So what I'd like to do is pull my hook up to this length. Give me a second here. Okay, and start a start a puff stitch. So I'll yarn over, go down at the bottom, pull it up, and you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, do it one more time. Now you have 5 loops on your hook. One more time. Now you have 7 loops. Yarn over and pull through all 7 loops. Chain 1 to close. Now the beginning of these V puff stitches, I start off with 1 puff stitch, and I'll complete it at the other end with adding one more puff stitch to this to complete the V. So I'm going to yarn over, I'm going to skip 2 chains at the bottom, and then make my first V puff stitch here. Okay, I've got 7 loops. Yarn over and pull through all. Chain 1 and chain 2. Okay, so chain 1 is to close that puff stitch, and then chain 1 is going to be a chain space in between. Now I'm going to yarn over and make my next puff stitch. Okay, pull through all, chain 1 to close. Okay, that's how it should start looking. Okay, I'm gonna complete my next one. So yarn over, skip 2, and make my next V puff stitch. Pull through all, chain 1, and chain 2. Another puff stitch in the same stitch at the bottom. Okay, chain 1 to close. Okay, that should look like that. And then just continue around making your V puff stitches. Okay, yarn over, skip 2. Okay, all right, continue around, and I will come back and show you how to finish off this row. Okay, I just completed my last V puff stitch. I closed off by chaining 1, and then now I'm going to make my last puff stitch right here. Okay, so I'll make my last puff stitch here underneath that puff stitch. Okay, chain 1, chain 2, and then I'll go ahead and slip stitch to the top of that first puff stitch. Okay, and that completes that row. Okay, the next row will be a row of half double crochets. So chain 1, yarn over, and I'll make my first half double crochet right here. Okay, and then 1 half double crochet here between the 2 puff stitches, and then 2 in between this, chain 1 space right here. So 1, 2, then 1 right here, and then 2 here in between the V passages. Okay, so if you go around like that, you will equal out to about 80 half double crochets all the way around. I will come back and show you the next steps. Okay, be right back. Okay, I'm going to make my last half double crochet into this V passage portion right here, and then slip stitch into the top of that first half double crochet. Okay, and that row is complete. Now basically this is going to be a repeat pattern of these rows right here. So we're going to make these half double crochets into the third portion back here behind the V's to create that knit-like look. Okay. Just push out those V's. Alright, so I'm going to show you real quick. So this is how much I ended up doing, like these type of rows. So, 1 second. So I was going to end my little cowl design like right here, but then I was like, I still had a lot of yarn left, so I'm like, okay, let's just make a few more rows because I think it looks better, thicker, wider. Anyway, yeah, this is basically all you have to do. These are just repeat patterns of the rows that I've already showed you how to do. So just continue along and finish it however wide you want it. Isn't that cute? So I'm about a 1/3 done with my scarf, my cowl, but I will come back and show you my end results. Okay, as you can see, I just finished my cowl and it turned out perfect. Look at how cute it looks. Right? It matches the Angelina Beanie just perfectly. It's so cute. I just love this design and it's super warm. I've tried it. Anyways, if you guys are enjoying this type of video, please like my video and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much and have a blessed new year.